Everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and
Anastasia's not here today, so you'll have to deal with Wastasia.
okay, so Wastasia is here.
Her twin sister.
Oh, okay, just like Luigi and Waluigi. So
They're not twins.
they're not twins.
They're best friends.
Oh, okay.
We don't know. We don't know if they're related.
Okay. So
Show them their new sign. There's a new sign that my sister gave you.
is that right?
Here, I'll show you. Can you guys see it? It says be nice.
Be nice. There you go.
Just like me and my twin sister.
So this is one of the books that I got from thriftbooks.com, and it's called How to Bake. And it has lots of stuff in there, so I've been going picking and everything else. And so there's one in there, it's called olive bread. I know, that sounds weird. And I'll take pictures and post this, the recipe. And so olive bread. So it didn't say whole olives, it didn't say half olives, it didn't say, it just says a half a pound of olives to make a 1/4 to 1 cup of, and make sure it's pitted, you know. So
Me and my twin sister don't like olives.
so it's not like a regular bread recipe, it's really different. So like I said, I will post that recipe in it. And so I made one today. Olives. So smells really good.
I thought they were raisins. We thought they were raisins at first and then we asked Grandma what it was in what kind of bread it was, and she said olive bread. And we went and we were like, we were gonna take a bite out of it, but no thanks.
There we go. All right, it's taste test time.
Anastasia's back. Hi, this is Anastasia. Wastasia was keeping you company. I want some ice cream.
Hold on.
Yeah.
It's just breaded with olives in it. I mean, it's no different.
No.
There's really no different taste. You just taste the olives.
No.
No? So,
I don't want olives.
you don't like olives?
Plus it's pink. See the pink?
Huh?
See the pink right there?
That's on my lipstick. There's a piece of bread.
Oh, thank you.
So, here's a piece of bread without the olives. They don't taste like olives, they just taste like bread. So, oh well. I mean, it's just is what it is. It tastes like, you know, if you got olives in the bread, it's going to taste, you will taste the olives. If you have just a piece of bread, it tastes like bread. So nothing different. So the next one I want to try is Irish soda bread. Because it doesn't have yeast. It has 3 cups of bleached flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, and buttermilk. So I was like, that'd be a quick and easy one. That's something that definitely could be used if you don't have no yeast or anything. And we'll see how it turns out. Come here. What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Alright, well, do you have anything else you want to tell everybody?
Just a minute.
Just a minute. So, yeah, to me it's good. Of course, ooh, I was thinking, because, you know, it's a sandwich. You put olives on your sandwich. Mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, maybe. So, let's try with a little bit of mustard. I know I'm weird. Oh, that's better. Oh, wow. Okay. Makes you think of like a, not a bagel, a baguette. Not a baguette. A pretzel. Yeah, pretzel with mustard on it. You got that right.
I want a pretzel.
No, I have no pretzels. I can make pretzels.
I want pretzel.
No, I'll make pretzels. How about Sunday?
Okay, yeah.
Sunday, that'd be our thing.
Pretzels?
We can make pretzels for the live. So there we go. All right, everybody. That's what we did today.
I want plain bread. I want plain homemade bread.
You want plain homemade bread? All right. So,
and ice cream.
And ice cream. Oh my goodness, she's got an appetite now. If y'all been watching the playlist, y'all can see last year she was like to hear to me. How she's up to here to me. She's growing. Before you know it, she's going to be up to here to me.
Look at this. I almost cover up your glass. Now I completely cover up your face. Nope. This is my face.
That's your face. You have a beautiful face.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Get my hair. Get my hair in your face.
Get your hair. Alright. So what we tell people now?
If you have a like, subscribe. See next time.
Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. And we'll see you next time. On our treasure home.
You okay?
Oh, that wasn't even a bump.
Ouch.
No, you didn't even hit nothing. See y'all later.